Oh, baby, gonna make it rain. So much money.
Bro, what did you do? Rob a bank?
Oh, not at all, my friend.
You doing something a little illegal there that maybe I should know about?
Absolutely not. Totally legal that any fool can do it.
Really? So what you're saying is that I could get in on this and not get into any trouble?
Oh, hell yeah. Of course you can.
So what exactly is it?
Well, instead of me working for the money, I'm making my money work for me.
You know, I always hear that, but I have no idea what people are talking about.
Oh, well, it's just some simple investing, bro.
Like in a good savings account or something?
No, of course not. Everybody knows that banks rip you off and they only give you fractions of a penny on the dollar.
What kind then?
You know, like buying property and renting it.
Yeah, but I don't have that kind of money.
Well, not at first, but you just start off small.
Doing what?
Well, you make a little bit of change like you do at Kaiser, and then you invest that little chunk into something a little pretty.
Again, invest in what?
I mean, there's plenty of stuff like stocks, NFTs, crypto.
Problem is, I don't know anything about any of those things.
Yeah, I don't know anything about them either, but you know, all schemes are the same. Some are just bigger than the others.
Well, why don't you tell me what I'm supposed to invest in?
Well, for example, just find you something that's really cheap. You invest into it, you create some buzz around it, and then when it goes up, you sell it.
You know, when you put it that way, you make it sound really easy.
Yeah. And then you just wash, rinse, and repeat the process until you have enough money to buy you multiple properties.
You know what? I'm gonna get right on that.
Oh, you do that, you ambitious fool?
Oh man! Come on, dude, your information was total trash.
What happened?
So I did what you said. I found this coin that was really cheap called like sheep a coin. And it was so low that there was no place up for it to go but up.
Well, you know, that sounds like a good start to me.
Yeah, I started tweeting about it, putting it on the gram, sending it out to all my followers, getting some hype around it. And 2 hours later, it was worth absolutely nothing. I lost it all.
Well, let me ask you, how many followers do you have on your socials?
I don't know, somewhere like around 300, give or take 50.
Well, that's it right there. You can't create buzz around something if you don't have the numbers and the right outlets.
Well, how the hell did you create buzz? You didn't have any followers until recently.
Oh, well, that's easy. I got my rich friend Elon to make a tweet about some douche coin or something that went crazy, and I made a lot of money off of it.
What the hell? You kind of left that information out that you're friends with the Tesla guy.
Well, my dear boy, rich people can't tell you everything.
You literally just got rich.
That's like a catch-22. You can't get rich unless you're already rich, or you have a hookup, or you get lucky and come into some money.
Well, come on, man. Look, you're my hookup now.
All right, I gotta confess. I created Sheepacoin, and when I saw somebody put a bunch of money into it, I pulled the rug on them.
Bro, that is so cold, dude. We're supposed to be friends.
Well, lesson number 2. Never listen to a rich person on a get-rich-quick scheme. Rarely does it ever work, and they don't give you all the information. So, here's a hundo to help get you back on your feet.
Dude, you just stole 100 times that from me today.
Hey, that's a 1% return on your investment. Just shoot a little higher next time. I only wear green like the color of money.